Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef bone broth in a pressure cooker. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of beef bones, ideally a mix of marrow and knuckle bones for rich flavor. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. It helps draw out beneficial minerals. Finally, add some aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions to enhance the taste. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast your beef bones for 20 to 30 minutes until they are nicely browned. This step adds depth of flavor. Carefully transfer the roasted bones and any desired vegetables into your pressure cooker. Then, cover all the ingredients with 12 to 16 cups of cold water, ensuring everything is submerged. Now it's time to cook. Secure the lid on your pressure cooker and set it to high pressure. Cook for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours to extract all the wonderful nutrients and flavors. Once cooking is complete, allow the pressure to release naturally. This is crucial for safety and flavor. Finally, carefully strain your rich broth through a fine mesh sieve. After straining, it's important to cool your broth quickly. Use an ice bath to bring down the temperature rapidly, which helps prevent bacterial growth. Once thoroughly chilled, you can easily skim off any solidified fat layer from the top. Store your delicious beef bone broth in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for several months of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.